Welcome to our presentation. Myself Hemant Kumar and my teammate Nitin and Jagan. We are from E&D department of RMD Engineering College. Our project title is Smart Car Parking System. We would like to thank MSG Nadina Sri ma'am who had been with us in the entire journey. Objective: the main aim of this object project is to reduce the risk of finding the parking slots in any parking area. In this project, we have developed a circuit in the virtual Arduino software for the smart car parking system. It eliminates the unnecessary traveling vehicles across the filled parking slots in the city. Let's see the components required. Hardware mode, IR sensor, Arduino Uno, push button, servo motors, LCD display. Let's see the software mode, the Tinkercad. Working principle. When the car enters the parking area, the IR sensor that presents before IN gate will detect the passing vehicle and the gate will be opened automatically. The car will enter into the parking area at the time the person doesn't know who the slot is empty. For this will be the indication of LEDs for every slot. When the green light glows, the slot is empty. When the red light glows, the slot will be filled. The operation of the exit side will be same as that of the entrance. When the car is leaving the parking area of the IR sensor that is present before the output gate will detect the passing vehicle and the gate will be operated automatically. In front of the parking area, there will be LCD display that is used to show that the status of parking slots, whether the parking is available or not.
Advantages: shorter waiting time at parking place, it saves fuel, money, space, and time. Reduced pollution, reduced traffic, carbon emission is reduced, efficiency. Conclusion: this project focuses on implementation of car parking place detection using IoT. In this project, we have developed a circuit in virtual Arduino software for smart car parking system. The system benefits of car smart parking go well beyond avoiding time wasting. Developing a smart parking solution within a city solves the pollution problem. Now let's see how it works.
Let us discuss the smart car parking system in the Tinkercad. In smart car parking system, I need 3 resistor. Now we will change the value of resistor to 10k ohm. After that, we required 2 push buttons. Now I will put an 1 potentiometer and I need Arduino and server motor. After that, I need LCD sensor. These are the total components we required in our project. And An Arduino is a microcontroller which has 6 analog input pins and it consists of 10 digital inputs and output pins and an operating voltage is 5 volts and its input voltage is 20 volts. Next we see about servo motor. A servo motor is a rotary actuator or a motor that allows for a precise control in terms of angular position, acceleration and velocity. Basically, it has a certain capabilities that a regular motor does not have. Three pins. First, STB1 is ground, second one is power pin and third one is single. This is a LCD display. A liquid crystal display is a flat panel display or the electronically modulated optical device that uses the light modulating properties of a liquid crystal combined with polarizers. Liquid crystal does not emit light directly, instead using a black light or a reflector to produce images in colors or monochrome. Let's connect the circuit. The push button is connected to the 9 volt on the Arduino and then 10 connected to the 2 resistor of the push button connect the 6 analog pins to the LCD display. We are connecting 6 digital pins to the LCD. After that, we need to connect server motor. After connecting the wires, the circuit looked like this. After that, we need to connect the potentiometer to the 5 volt of the Arduino that the second terminal is connected to the display. After that, we need to code the Arduino. After putting the code, the LCD display displays the parking slot whether it's available or not. Now I am going to start the simulation. The LCD screen displays the parking slot left. It's showing space left for 7 cars. The server motor detects the entry and exit part of the parking lot. Then using Arduino, the LCD screen displays the parking lot, which is space left for the car. Sorry, no place left. We sincerely thank the faculty of RMD Engineering College for giving the great opportunity. Thank you.